Hi, I'm Kristy. After a year of having that baby weight on, I realized like I can't do it by myself. I looked at a lot of the different programs that were out there, but the big part for me was that I had no time, right? So full-time job, 3 little kids. My daughter was just 1 at the time. I was eating like the leftovers on my kids' plate, you know, like I guess my dinner is 6 half nuggets tonight. I needed something that was going to be convenient and nutritious. Anybody who's willing to make the commitment can be successful on Jenny Craig. I was really surprised by how much I got to eat and that I wasn't hungry and that I got to have dessert every day. I was never a dessert person. I got dessert every day. I was never scared to step on the scale. It feels great. I feel healthy, I feel happy, I can move, I can run, I can carry my kids upstairs without hurting. I'm focusing more on what's important to me, what I value, my goals, and because I'm a better me, I'm a better mom. I lost 36 pounds on Jenny Craig. I feel more like myself than I've ever felt.